Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Madhuri. In this video, we are going to learn short sound of vowel A and word family of vowel A, that is at, ag, am. Now, we all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Among these 26 letters, 5 are called vowels and rest of the letters are called consonant. Now, let's see this vowel first. A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. Now let's hear the short sound of this vowel. A sounds A, E sounds E, I sound E, O sounds A, and U sound A. These are the short sound of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the letters in 26 alphabet are called consonant. 5 vowels and rest of the letters consonant. Now let's blend this vowel and consonant sounds together. We are going to see the word family of letter A, that is add. Word family simply means the combination of 2 letters, the combination sounds of 2 letters. Now let's blend this sound of these 2 letters. A sounds A, T sounds T, and together they sound at, at. Now let's blend this word family with consonant H. H sounds H at, hat, hat. B sounds B at, bat, bat. C sounds K at, cat, cat. Yes, this was a word family at. Now let's move on to the next word family, that is am. Here A is joined with letter M. Now let's blend this sound. A sounds A, M sounds M, and together they sound am. Now let's blend this sound with consonant J. J sound J, am, jam, jam. Y sound am, yam, yam. R sound am, ram. So this was the word family am. Now let's move on to the next word family, that is ag. A sound A, G sounds G, ag. Now let's blend this sound with consonant B. B sounds B, ag, bag. T sounds T, ag, tag. R sounds R, ag, rag. Yes, so this was the word family of letter A, that is at, ag, am. So yes, this is all about the short sound of vowel A. Phonic sounds are really very helpful for pre-primary kids. They can easily read 3-letter, 2-letter words. They can easily blend the sounds of letter and can easily read. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.